Ringke Cases for the iPhone XS Max. So I want to give a special shout out to Ringke for sending these over. So let's dive in. So let's take a look at these right now. Put these three to the side. We'll take a look at this one. This is the packaging it comes in. Simple packaging from Ringke. Tear here, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. And inside we get your rat poison, thank you card, you're welcome, some info here, and some information about their other items. Put that to the side. This is the case itself. Ringke Onyx, the ultimate experience. That's what it says in the middle. And let's see, let the light hit it, check that out. Inside you have a pattern here. Let's go ahead and put the XS Max in and check it out. Phone slides right in. The case is black, so it blends in perfectly with the screen. Flipping it over, and it's gonna look like that. Now, I like these Ringke Onyx cases. They have this brushed aluminum kind of design and this pattern here on the top and the bottom. It kind of looks like carbon fiber from a distance, but it's not. It looks pretty cool though. Yeah, this looks really good with the gold iPhone XS Max. You can kind of see the gold trim a little bit around the camera lens and also the cutout here. Yeah, this looks nice on this colorway. Check out the power button. Nice and clicky. Wow. Easy press. And then check out the volume rocker, same thing. Nice and easy press, as you can see. Always love that about these Ringke cases. And checking out the access to your switch. No issues with that. Let's check out the cutouts on the bottom for your lightning port, speaker grills. Cutout here for your lanyard, switch I already mentioned. Raise power button. You have Ringke branding here on the bottom right there so you can see. And from the front, this case gives you a good amount of front lip. So you put this down flat on the table, glass will not touch the surface. If you have a tempered glass, even better. Let's check out the wireless charging, also by Ringke. Put the device on, wireless charging works like a charm. This one is the Rinka Fusion for the iPhone XS Max. Check out the packaging real quick. Tear here, which is what I'm gonna do. What do we get inside? Okay, just like last time, we get a thank you card and more info about their other products and Ringke mirror, removing the films, etc. Which is the plastic here, so you can see. Let's see, let me grab the edge. Oh, actually, you know what? I think this part's already lifted a little bit. Nice. So I'm gonna try to just do this right now, if I can. Get this plastic off. Yep, there it is, got it. Woo! Nice and fast. And do it again on the outside. Let me see, where can I grab it? All right, this one might be more of a challenge. Is it lifted from here? Let's see, then might have to go behind the camera for this one. All right, got it. Once you get a corner, peel it up, get it whole, nice and fast. Cool, so this one is the Rinka Fusion, all clear. Let's put the XS Max in. There you go. Phone snaps right in. Now from the front, you get the clear border, which if you have this colorway, the gold or the silver one, you want to show off that color, consider this clear case. And from the back, it's going to look like that. And I gotta say, this looks pretty nice back here. If you like the color of your iPhone, if you want to show it off, this one, the silver one, or even the space gray one, if you want to see your phone, you don't want to cover it up with a case, get a clear case, like this one from Ringke. Very nice. Check out the buttons. Nice and clicky like the Ringke Onyx. This one is no exception. Nice and easy press. Volume rocker, same thing. Nice and clicky, very tactile, love it. And access to your switch, no issues with that. Taking a look at the bottom of the case, your cutouts, take a look for yourself. Cutout here for the lanyard, and it says right there, made in Korea. And on the corners here, there is some reinforcements in the corner. So if you happen to drop this phone, more than likely it'll hit the corner. Should have a little bit more protection. And on the side here, it does say Ringke there, so some Ringke branding on the side. And it says here, shock absorption technology. And checking out the front lip, you do get a reasonable amount of front lip here, and it raises up a little bit on the top and bottom of the phone, giving you a little bit more protection. So you put this down flat on the table, your glass will not touch the surface. If you have a tempered glass, even better. Let's check this wireless charging, and that works no problem. We have this one from Ringke. I think this one is their X Hybrid pair here, so let's do that right now. Right inside, we get the same thank you cards, etc. Put that to the side. This is the case itself, as you can see. Now I do have some film here, so let me take this off. There we go. Get it whole. Woo, nice and fast. And do the same thing again on the outside. So let's do that right now. Yeah, sometimes these things are a challenge, but once you get it to peel up and you get it whole, nice and easy. So this is the case. Check out that design. All right, so let's go ahead and put the XS Max in, and we'll see how this one's gonna look and feel. From the front, case is black, so it blends in perfectly with the phone. And you flip this over so you can still see the design of your iPhone. And then let's check out the buttons. Nice and clicky, just like the other two previously. Nice and easy press. Volume buttons, no issues with that. Nice and clicky on this. And the volume buttons, it kind of raises at the end, so you can find the button a little bit more easier on this one. And the cutout for your switch, no issues. Check out the bottom of the case, the cutouts, take a look for yourself. Lanyard cutout, raise button for the power, and this is ridged. Fusion X branding here on this part of the case, right there, you can see that, Fusion X. And this case does have some reinforcements on the corners. So if you drop your phone, hits a corner, which is likely to happen, you are protected with this case. Checking out the front lip, a good amount of front lip on this one also. It raises on the top and bottom of the phone. So you lay this down flat, your glass will not touch the surface. You have a tempered glass, even better. And let's check out the wireless charging. Should work. Works, as you can see. This one is their Dual X for the iPhone XS Max by Ringke. So let's dive in this one. Okay, thank you cards, etc. Put that to the side. This is the case itself. Take a look at the inside. You have some info there, military, drop protection or drop tested, etc. right there. Now this one is a two-part case. You have the inside TPU material, and the outside here, the red, is a hard plastic. Let's put the XS Max in, and let's go check this one out. Nice and easy. From the front, you do have that black border, so it blends in with the phone very nicely. And you flip it over in the back, and it's gonna look like that. Now this one, a bit more of a rugged design to it. Very beautiful red color here as well. And right away I'm noticing the camera is recessed very nicely in the case. So if you were to drop this phone and it falls on its backside, your camera lens is protected. Ringke branding on the bottom, nice and subtle, not too in your face. Let's check out the power button. Nice and easy press. No issues with the buttons at all. And do the same thing with the volume. Yeah, nice and clicky. And the power button is ridged. Access to the switch, nice and wide open. Easy. Looking at the bottom of the case, the cutouts, take a look for yourself. Lanyard cutout. If you mishandle this phone and you drop it, lands on a corner, know that you are protected. Checking out the front lip, a good amount of front lip with this one as well, like there are others, and it raises on the top and bottom of the phone. So you put this down flat on a table, glass will not touch the surface. If you have a tempered glass, even better. Overall, the fit and finish of this case is good, and let's check out the wireless charging. Should work, and it does. So if you're interested in any of these cases by Ringke, I'm gonna go ahead and put links in the description down below. And once again, shout out to Ringke for sending these over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.